Ever dabbled in cryptocurrency, only to find yourself wanting out? Maybe the volatility's got you spooked, or perhaps you've spotted a hotter prospect on the exchange scene. Whatever the reason, you're ready to cash out and move on. But if you're a Kraken user staring down a mountain of verification steps, you might be wondering, is there a way out of here without the hassle? Addressing the friction, 010 to 040. Let's face it, verification on any platform can feel like a chore. It's personal information, documents, hoops to jump through, enough to make you question if that sweet crypto is worth it all. Especially if you're just a casual user, the idea of forking over your ID just to withdraw some cash can be a major turnoff. The verification lowdown, 040 to 130. Now, Kraken, like most reputable exchanges, does have verification levels in place. These are there for a reason, to prevent fraud, money laundering, and keep the whole crypto ecosystem a little safer. But here's the good news, there are tiers to this verification game. The Unverified Life, 130 to 220. Kraken offers a level they call Starter. As the name suggests, it's the most basic tier, and the good news is, you don't need any verification to get in. But there are limitations. Starter accounts have restricted deposit and withdrawal options. You can still deposit and withdraw some funds using certain methods, but the amounts will be capped. Let's say you're just starting out, testing the crypto waters with a small investment. Starter might be your sweet spot. You can deposit some funds, buy a little crypto, and if things go well, you can withdraw those initial funds without needing to show your ID. But remember, those caps are there, so this option isn't ideal for whales looking to move mountains of money. Going beyond Starter, 220 to 310. If you're looking to break free from those limitations and withdraw larger sums, then you'll need to up your verification game. Kraken has two more tiers, Intermediate and Pro. These require progressively more information and documentation, but grant you access to higher deposit and withdrawal limits. The Verification Balancing Act, 310 to 340. Now, the question becomes, is the hassle of verification worth the ability to withdraw more freely? That depends on your individual needs. If you're a casual user with a small amount to withdraw, Starter might suffice. But for those looking to move larger sums, verification becomes a necessary step. Security Matters, 340 to 410. Here's something to remember, verification isn't just about making it harder for you to get your money out. It also adds a layer of security to your account. Think of it as putting a lock on your crypto door, a bit more effort to get in and out, but it keeps your precious coins safe from prying eyes. Beyond Kraken, 410 to 430. Of course, Kraken isn't the only exchange out there. If their verification process feels too cumbersome, it's worth exploring other options. Just remember, reputable exchanges will likely have some form of verification in place. It's part of the responsible crypto game. The bottom line, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. So, can you withdraw from Kraken without verification? The answer is yes, with limitations. But if you're looking to move serious money, then upping your verification level is the way to go. Remember, it's a balance between convenience and security. Choose the path that works best for your crypto journey. Call to action, 5 to 510. Got any questions about Kraken verification or crypto withdrawals in general? Leave a comment below and let's chat. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more crypto content. Outro, 510. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time, happy crypto trading.